show us figure a change from the equilibrium potential increase the current in one direction and decrease it is order. Current in one direction increase and decrease in order by convention a net cathodic current. Convention a net cathodic current is taken as positive. कैथोडिक जो करंट है वो पॉजिटिव कंटेनर रहता है एंड नेट एनोडिक करंट आर नेगेटिव. Thus alpha corresponding to the cathodic. Thus alpha corresponding to cathodic. This is reduction process and 1 minus alpha process to the anodic. This is oxidized process. From the general equation 3, from general equation 3, K2 is equals to in bracket Kt upon Hc to the power 0 bracket close expressed in bracket minus del Z 0 star upon RT in bracket close equation number 3rd. For a rate possessive given by the transition state theory, we can write the anodic and cathodic current density as follow. करंट डेंसिटी एज फॉलो के लिए रिएक्शन देख लेते हैं. एनोडिक रिएक्शन इज अ I epsilon A is equals to JF K A C0R expressed in bracket in capital bracket minus del Z star A minus 1 minus alpha Z in bracket close Z F del phi upon R T in capital bracket close. Now next is cathodic reaction. Cathodic reaction is a reduction process and anodic reaction is a oxidation process. I epsilon C, C for cathodic reaction is equals to Z F K C epsilon C C O capital O expressed in bracket minus del G star C plus A alpha Z F del phi upon RT. Now again gives free energy barrier for the anodic or cathodic electro reaction respectively in the region in which diffusion is sufficiently rapid to eliminate concentration gradient. The ionic concentration adjacent to the electrode can be taken as constant independent of I and also of them time when the extent of reaction is small. At equilibrium condition we can write for the exchange current density per unit area. Exchange current density per unit area. Exchange current density per unit area. I epsilon 0 is equals to ZF K A C0 R expressed minus in capital bracket del Z star alpha plus 1 minus alpha bracket close ZF del phi upon ReV rho अपॉन RT, capital bracket close. Now again is equals to Z F KC C0O express minus in bracket minus del Z star C minus alpha ZF del phi rho upon RT, bracket close, capital bracket close. In terms of I0 and n eta I is equals to del phi minus del phi review. The activation potential is I is equals to I epsilon C minus I epsilon A is equals to I epsilon 0 express in bracket alpha Z F eta I upon RT in bracket close minus express in bracket close minus in bracket 1 minus alpha Z F eta I upon RT small bracket and whole capital bracket is closed. Equation number 4. Equation number 4. This equation number 4 is known as Butler-Volmer equation. In equation number 4 is a Butler-Volmer equation. Now again the current density Butler-Volmer equation से जो रीडिंग इवेलुएट हुआ है, रीडिंग कैलकुलेट हुआ है, उसको हम कैसे now the exchange current density is plotted. Now this figure exchange current density is plotted. Exchange current density denoted by I and over potential is denoted by eta. Eta और I, that means exchange current density एंड ओवर पोटेंशियल के बीच प्लॉटेड ग्राफ है यहाँ पे अकॉर्डिंग्स टू इक्वेशन नंबर 4, जो कि इक्वेशन नंबर 4 के अकॉर्डिंग है. इसमें 2 केस शो हो रहे हैं और 2 केस लेबल्ड हो रहे हैं. फर्स्ट इज लेबल्ड इज ए इज द केस इन विच देयर आर रेदर हाई एक्सचेंज. ए इज द हाई एक्सचेंज, देयर इज अ ए एंड दिस इज अ हाई एक्सचेंज current I0, high exchange current, then value exchange current value is I0 at both electrode. The individual electrode curve the labeled A dash, individual curve labeled the A dash and A double dash. In this case even a small change, in this case A dash and A double dash पे exchange current density में small changes आ रहे हैं. Potential from the equilibrium value, that is small over potential, will produce in appreciable current flow through the cell. The other case labeled B, other case is labeled is a B corresponding to very low exchange. This is B part is the current density exchange to very low exchange current, that is represented by I0. The individual electrode curve are not in this case. Over potential is required to causes appreciable current flow through the cell. सेल के थ्रू एप्रिसिएबल करंट फ्लो होता है और उसी करंट फ्लो को हम यहाँ ओवर पोटेंशियल के और करंट डेंसिटी के अगेंस्ट प्लॉटेड किए हैं. वी सी दैट द गवर्निंग factor that determine the activation over potential in according to Butler-Volmer equation is the exchange current density I0. The transfer factor of R alpha influence the shape of the current density I. अल्फा ट्रांसफर फैक्टर है करंट डेंसिटी इन्फ्लुएंस का. I versus over potential eta curve. One way measure alpha is fit the experimental curve to the Butler-Volmer equation. Equation number 4 is the Butler-Volmer equation, and then figure is a Butler-Volmer equation के according figure. Variation of current density, different variation of current density, plotted graph in current density versus over potential with over potential for activation polarization. This experimental curve closely follow the Butler-Volmer equation.